So the All Systems Broadband has been around for 10 years, and in the last 6 years, it really shifted our focus to look at fiber optics and what people are looking for there. And our company focuses on the passive layer, so we do the connection, we do the splitters, the CWDMs, that sort of area, and that's really become our focus. Beyond that, I would say we're a small, nimble company that really looks toward customer issues, and so a lot of the projects that we run are actually focused at solving an immediate need. And that works out well for our customers and well for us because, you know, there's usually a payoff if we come up with a solution that works for them.
2.
So we focus on in the network when they roll things out, we really focus on the passive layer. So all the products that we offer will end up being agnostic to the type of technologies that run on top of them. So in our case, when you buy our products, hopefully you're getting a much longer use out of them than say you might with an electronic solution or some sort of network protocol. So it's important that we design products right, that they're robust, and that the customer gets a long life use of them.
3.
Recently, when we look at our product portfolio, I mean, we've done a lot in the business segment where people are bringing business fiber in. There's been a lot of focus on that, and we actually bring products into the buildings and help route those around. But the other thing we're seeing is on the fiber of the home, there's been a transition for the ONT to move from the side of the home really inside of the home. And so we've actually got a product set there where we're also working with making that fiber transition into someone's home and be able to utilize the savings associated with the indoor ONTs.
4.
So just over my shoulder, you'll see there's a lot of different configurations and packages. So what I like to tell customers is that these are the mechanical chassis or parts, but we've really designed not only the physical parts that we need, but we've also designed the closures to go into those. So what's changing in the network, people are pushing the passives deeper in the network, and so when you get to things like a termination box, there usually wasn't a passive there, therefore it was never designed to hold one. Our boxes, when we bring them out, they're already designed to hold the passive. And when you see a passive module in place, that could be a splitter, could be WDM, it actually could even be a hybrid circuit. We have some customers that have an existing network and they want to overlay new technology while preserving the old. So we can basically put anything you need inside of them, give you a clean configuration, and a good way to start.
5.
Yeah, the passives, they definitely feed into a larger segment. One of the other things that we're showing first time at the show is we have a semi-automated frame on the other side of the booth. So people think about frame technology. I mean, the innovations of late have really been higher density, put more fibers closer together, which is all very important. But in addition to doing that, we now have a high density frame which has a robot that runs on the front of it. So you can actually do changes to your network without having to roll a technician to a certain location. And I think it's going to be, I think we're on the front edge of this. I think it's going to be important, particularly as people embrace SDN. They start exerting more control of the network from a centralized location. Now, not only will they be able to do, you know, the higher levels in the network, they'll actually be able to change the physical layer as well by using this robotic frame.
Save some money as well.
Yeah, I think so. And not only that, it's going to give you flexibility points that you didn't have before, right? I think one of the things that happens in the network is initially we had sort of a blind network. We would send signal out, but the only way we knew if anything went wrong was our customers called us. Now we want to be a lot more proactive. We want to groom the network, fix problems before they happen, and to be able to have this sort of remote control over your entire network, I think will be a critical step.